Old CTR here. We just rolled back in. Been up to Ava and visited with old Don Tucker up there, and I been meaning to get up there and get you some footage of some of his rides. You saw one of them during Halloween. That old yellow 55 is his, and I thought maybe y'all might like to enjoy a little bit of well, they're filthy and they're sitting in the garage covered up. The trophies are dirty too, but we'll let you see a few of them, and maybe we'll get back up there in a little while and he's got a little more time and get a little interview and some more history on the cars for you. CTR, I'm out.
LS powered.
What do you think, Red Dirt Road?
I see an LS powered Nomad.
Kind of looking like it, ain't it?
Power brakes, power steering, air conditioning. Looks like some old school Hillbrand slot.
Say.
Top. I like the top.
Is it still full of mannequins?
One. It has one mannequin in front. I don't know how many are in the trunk.
Yeah. Hardtop. Hardtop.
What have you done?
So you got two postcards.
Two, yeah.
You got your Chevelle room?
One's a Bel-Air post and one's a 210 post.
That thing's for
Okay.
right.
Been laid down in a mom's field for 27 years. This one?
It was a parts car at one time, wasn't it?
I scrapped it for the convertible. I did. I needed parts for the convertible, so I scrapped it.
Then you end up putting it back together?
27 years later, put it back together. The only thing left original on this car is the trunk area and this quarter. Everything else been replaced,
Even the top?
even the top. Took the top off of Pontiac, because the Pontiac shares the same roof. What's different though is Pontiac put a dome light in the middle. 55 Chevrolet put the quarter lights in the back, corners back here.
Okay.
The brackets and everything else is were in the Pontiac. They just didn't cut the holes in them to mount the lights.
So the back window's the same in a Pontiac and a Chevy?
55, 56, 57 Pontiac, 55, 6, and 7 Chevrolet, all same stuff.
Oh. It's beautiful.
Come out pretty nice.
Yeah.
It's a rotisserie job and stuff too, so.
Boy, top come out good on Chevelle.
Oh yeah.
Why does it say Malibu on it?
Because it's a Malibu.
Well, why is it a Chevelle?
Because it's a
Does it to Chevelle?
Yeah.
They made a couple different
Also, it's
Chevelles.
a Chevelle, but they say Malibu.
What did that say right there? Not all Malibus were Chevelles, but some
It was a
Malibus
Chevelle
were.
Malibu. It was a
Some
factory.
just said
they
Chevelle.
were all a Chevelle, but they were a Malibu. But they did make a 300 series Chevelle, which had a post in it.
Yep.
Yeah.
And those are kind of a scarce car, but nobody wants them either.
This is a 66,
This is all 67 stuff.
7.
67, my favorite year.
Yeah, a guy from Gainesville came up, put top on this thing, and he knew what he was doing.
He did a good job.
Who is it?
Guy out of Gainesville down there.
Colster?
Yeah, his name is Jeff.
That route, the square down there?
I don't know. Oh, she is, the lady that does the upholstery work is.
This
not
guy
too-
just does tops.
This guy just primarily does top and he does detail work on other cars and stuff all the time. But he came out of, like say Colorado Springs, Colorado.
Yeah. Are you selling this car or you keeping it?
I don't know.
You saw this one up at Willie's, didn't you?
Yeah.
You'll take me for a ride eventually.
Yeah, you can take it back down to Willie and we're gonna put that SS hood on there.
Oh, yeah?
I got an SS hood for it and stuff.
Is that cow hood? Is that what that is?
It's got the louvers
Oh,
and
the
stuff. on it.
louvers, yeah.
Yep. Then that yellow 55, I drove that down to Gainesville that night.
Yeah, I seen it. It's pretty hard too.
Yeah, she's gonna do the interior and stuff in this car as far as, and make them back like they were factory.
Who, Bev?
I don't know what the lady's name is down there in Gainesville. I mean, in Mountain Home.
Oh, I don't know who that is.
She does really nice work.
Does she?
Really?
Expensive?
I didn't think so. She's gonna do the front seat and doing the cloth and the vinyl just like it was factory, and redo the back seat, parts, material, and everything. $1,000.
Oh, that's cheap. Yeah. That's cheap.
And I seen some buckets she was working on. They look just like the day they roll off the showroom floor.
Where'd you get this car? Around here, right?
North Dakota.
Oh, you went back up there, though.
Yep. That kid's a rust-free car. Except for that,
Is your boy still here, the red one?
yeah, the red one's still here too.
Yeah.
I'll take you show you that one in a minute too.
Is it a 67?
The 672. 5 or 7, that's all I do.
CTR, we roll them deep around these parts.
I'm telling you, I love these 67 Chevelles.
You'll have a neat car when you get this thing done. You're not too far from it.
I'm not too far. I'm gaining on it. I gotta put inner fender wells in it yet and a few other pieces.
Yeah.
And by the time she gets them seats done, then I gotta do a little trim work and stuff in it, but then it'll be pretty good.
There's all kinds of shit hiding around these parts.
I'll show you my kid's junk car I did for him.
You still live around here?
He lives in California,
Oh,
in the valley. When I was driving his old Chevelle one day, the guy took the plan at that sharp stuff. This is junk. He goes, if this is junk, I like to see your other cars, so I took him and helped him see the other cars. He goes, you like this is junk.
Look at the old checkerboard wheels on that thing, man.
Yeah, you ain't funny car.
Man, you got a couple sets of them, don't you?
I got 2 separate of them.
Yeah.
Is this one your son's?
This is my son's. I give this to him for a high school graduation present.
Now you get to work on it, Brett.
Man, I love
Heck, you got another front lift or one inside.
Yeah, I need to have a fender well out of it for my yellow one.
Ain't that another one
You guys
sitting
can
right
store
there?
this together?
Me and my kid?
Yeah.
This has got a funny story to it. I brought this car home with no tires and wheels on it, sitting on the trailer. It was in February in North Dakota, about 30 below. And I brought this thing home and sitting on the car there and wasn't a lot of paint left on it. And the kid goes, what are you gonna do with that piece of shit? And I told him, I said, look, you can take that to town, get a stereo shop. And then I put a stereo in it, pick the stereo for the stereo. I said, I'm telling you right now, that car comes home, it's gonna boom, 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 I'm kicking their ass. And they're going down there and get the hell out there. I said, I don't care how loud it is, but I don't want that shit going boom, boom, boom. All right. Come home, I'll see you right now. You'll turn that stereo on this car one time, you can hear it. I go to Canada one day and stuff. This guy in Georgia, up there, he bought some of these cars. George said, listen to this. That sounds pretty good. That sounds pretty good. Listen to this. I've been looking at, I'll be honest with you.
Not dead yet.
I ain't dead yet, no. And I've been looking at the 67 Chevelle convertible on eBay and stuff too, thinking about buying another car.
Yeah.
But, and I told you about that 59 hardtop, so when I go to North Dakota, I'm gonna check on that 59 hardtop too,
Yeah, you need to.
Yeah.
Are you gonna do one of them?
probably. Just have something else to do.
That'd be hard to do. They're worth a pile.
Yeah. I got a nice 400, only got 35,000 extra mile on the 400 to stick in it. Engine white car?
Yeah.
And my Nomad and stuff. See how the dash is in these, that's a Bel-Air dash, that trim piece that goes
Yeah.
across there? I would venture to say that 98% of the Bel-Air cars were like that. They had a radio in them, because it was a fancy car.
No radio delete like in his Nomad.
But my Nomad and that orange and white car, I got a radio delete them. I've only ever seen 3 of them in my life, or 4 of them, and I got 3 of them. A radio delete Bel-Air is really
Because
tough
it's
to
the
come
bow
by.
ties too.
And they don't
All the way
come,
across.
yeah,
No, it's a separate piece that bolts on.
the dash
that
where the radio
matches.
was.
Does it do like Maleficence?
Yep.
I have a 56 Bel-Air delete,
Yeah,
but I had never seen a 55.
yeah, I've seen 4 of them in my
You
life.
have now, you looked in his Nomad.
Yeah.
And I got 3.
I'm still hunting up centerpiece dash trim for Bel-Airs. And
What
too
is-
short.
What, where the cigarette lighter and stuff goes?
Yeah, the aluminum insert. I need 3 centers, or 2 centers. I'm
You
too
never-
short.
You never asked me, did you?
I did once. You probably didn't have any that day.
Oh, yeah, I did.
No?
Yeah.
I
'cause
need to
probably
deal you
got-
out of a couple.
I probably got 10 of them.
Oh yeah, I need a couple. Hell, she's been trying to eBay them for months.
I've looked and looked and looked on eBay and everywhere.
Let me show you where the couple at. You was within inches of them.